Here we have our M975 Princess Castle Character Tote. Your monogram will go here on the top solid portion of the tote. Have one sheet of solvay ready to add after framing. Use a ruler to find the center, both horizontally and vertically on the solid portion of the tote. Mark with a water-soluble pencil. Slide the tote onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame with the handles out of the way of the sewing area. Slide the tote to the top outer edge of the frame, centering between the handles. Use our custom centering jigs to find the center. Trace sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside of the frame. Place solvay on the tote, and now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our custom centering jigs can be purchased individually as well as a set of 4. These jigs are helpful tools to have when using hoop-tech clamps frames on the variety of our products. Our water-soluble topping is designed to enhance embroidery on the top side of the fabric. When your sew is complete, remove product from the frame. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.